So every now and then there always seems to be a bug that will seem to crash your Android phone or crash your iPhone. Last month it was another one that was found by Everything Apple Pro where a certain text message would do it. A couple of months ago it was another text message and all of that stuff. Even Twitter went down because there was a bug that was crashing certain things. Now there is another one, but this time more specifically for Samsung phones and Google phones, okay? And it's about a killer wallpaper. So if you set this wallpaper on your phone, then your phone will crash and reboot and you'll have to go into safe mode and all of that stuff. It seems to work fine on iPhones and I'm too scared to try it, so I won't try it, but it does seem to work okay on iPhones. But if you do set this wallpaper as your background on a Google phone and a Samsung phone, then it will do your phone in, it will brick it. So do not set this wallpaper before I show you. Just don't set it on your phone, otherwise it's bad. And this was found by a guy called Universe Ice on Twitter, and some people may have heard of him already, but this is the wallpaper. Remember, don't set it as your wallpaper, but this is it. The wallpaper's pretty nice. It's got some nice colours and clouds. It looks a little bit like something out of Lord of the Rings, but if you set this as your wallpaper, it will kill your phone. We're not sure why this is happening. We have no idea yet. It might be some code that's in the photo which is making this happen, or it might be something to do with the colours themselves and the phone getting confused between light mode and dark mode or something, but it's not great. If you put this wallpaper on your iPhone, then iPhones don't seem to be affected by it at all. I'm not going to try it. Someone else has already done that for me. SnazzyQ on Twitter has done it and it looks fine on iPhone. But then if you scroll down the thread, I'll put the link to the original thread in the description, but if you scroll down the thread, you can see people that have tried it and there's loads of pictures and loads of videos of people's phones actually being bricked because of this. Someone tried it on their Google Pixel and it did exactly the same. So it's not just a Samsung thing, but it's more of an Android thing. So if you've got an Android phone and want to try this for whatever reason, I will link it in the description below. Don't try it. Do not put this wallpaper on your phone. If you want to try it, then that's completely up to you. And it's a bit of a strange one. I don't know what's causing it. I don't think I've ever seen it before where if you set a picture to your wallpaper, it just crashes your phone and you can't turn it on. So far, I've seen it affect the Google Pixel, the Galaxy S20, the S20 Ultra. The only way we know to fix this at the moment is to put your phone into safe mode and change your wallpaper that way. And I'll put some links in the description to certain phones and how to get into safe mode if you've put this as your wallpaper already. Like I said, we're not sure what is causing it. We're not sure what's happening with it. But someone did draw a line through the middle of the photo on like a photo editing app and then set it as a wallpaper on their Samsung phone. And it didn't seem to do anything. So maybe it's something to do with the colors in the center. There's someone found a little bit of code as well in the photo, which could be something that is causing this crash. But like I said, I'll put the link to this picture in the description below, but do not set it as your wallpaper because it will break your phone. Anyway, thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.